everyone. My name is Brandi Hopper, Q-SYS Technology Partner Manager. I'm here with Cesar, Brompton Technology. So excited to chat with you today, Cesar. If you would, introduce yourself, a little bit about your role, and more about Brompton Technology for our end users.
Absolutely. First of all, thank you very much. It is absolutely great
So nice,
to be
right?
collaborating
To be
with
in
Q-SYS.
person.
Yes,
Yeah.
absolutely. And we have been talking for a while, right? So it is great to be here collaborating with Q-SYS and sharing this news. Brompton Technology, what we do is LED processing. It's very specific, but we focus very much in the highest end of quality of LED. We make sure that they have the best color, we have the best reliability, and we make sure that our users have the best ROI and user experience. That is what we do, and that's why we love working with companies like Q-SYS that I know that they share a lot of the same ideas.
That is amazing. Thank you so much for sharing a little bit of the overview. And I know that a while back, Brompton Technology joined the Q-SYS ecosystem with an amazing certified plugin called the Brompton Tessera plugin. And before we do a deeper dive into the integration itself, would you mind sharing for our audience a little bit more about the Tessera product line itself?
Yes, absolutely. So in Brompton, we like to think that we are leaders in innovation. We develop processors, listening to our customers and working very closely with them. This is a big part of what I do as well personally, is making sure that we are out there in the industry, speaking with our customers and bringing back all this feedback and all these tools that they really need to have
Absolutely.
realistic solutions in their projects. We started with rock and roll, but as you grow and you create the best color and the best systems for LED processing,
Yeah.
then we started growing into theater, fixed installations. We are very, very proud to be the ones sending the processing signal to the BT Tower in London. It's a very big landmark. So it's this kind of projects, the ones that we work with. And then we work into virtual production, and our Tessera line of processors, they are just for different sizes of these projects.
Oh, that's amazing. So I think you touched on there, and I just wanted to highlight a couple of segments that we have great crossover, the Q-SYS Solutions and Brompton Technology together. So hospitality, entertainment, certainly. Can you talk a little, just mention a couple other verticals where we really have great crossover with our solutions?
Yes,
together?
absolutely. We are growing incredibly, and once we develop incredible tools for all these other industries that we have been doing over the years. These new industries that are growing faster and faster, now everybody wants a beautiful looking LED in their lobby, right?
Oh, absolutely.
So hospitality, medical, corporate, architectural lighting, all these solutions are coming very, very strongly, and we are being a big part of it. And that's where we fall very strongly with Q-SYS.
I think that's a great Better Together story. It really is. I think we've got such great complementary solutions.
Yes, absolutely. And Q-SYS is already a market leader in many of these industries. So for us, having this integration was just natural. We wanted to have this solution that will give the users a next level of quality for what they're trying to achieve.
That is awesome. Well, thank you so much for just a little bit of highlights there as well. Well, let's talk a little bit more about the features and functionality of the Tessera plugin itself. So what's really great about it is, as a certified plugin, you've got status page enhancements that allow for device control via TCP, ICP, real-time connection status that gives that connection setup page dynamically displayed for the device's connectivity. We've got the ability to see detailed device insights, so access to essential information. That's a tongue twister. Say essential information. Such as model, uptime, firmware, name, show file name, etc. And I know you've got some highlights you want to share for the features and functionality too.
We have quite a few tools that can be controlled from the Q-SYS device. For us, it's all about reliability and making it easy for users when they are dealing with these projects. All this works via API, but the main thing was first to give them the control that they require if they wanted to change something in their LED using a very smart device that you guys put in the wall, and then controlling the big LED wall is a very clean solution. Besides that, another thing that is very, very important is reporting. Everybody wants to know if there is an issue.
Yeah.
You need to know in real time if the temperature is changing, what is the refresh rate, what is being your input. All these things are quite important, and that's why the combination with Q-SYS has been great for our users. And we had an incredible amount of people asking for it.
That is awesome. And as you mentioned, it's that end user experience that we really want to, we want to make it easy for them to integrate
Absolutely.
the Brompton Tessera plugin into their AV design. Thank you so much for the highlight reel of what's embedded in this plugin. And it sounds like you mentioned that you really take user feedback seriously too. So in future iterations, feedback is great. You can add even more features and functionality into version 2, and just really excited to chat with you today. Is there anything else you'd like to add?
Yes, absolutely. I mean, this integration is happening via API. So Q-SYS is controlling the API of Brompton, meaning that it can work with any of the devices that are capable
That's
to
right.
do that.
Yeah.
Again, the feedback is great. Definitely a very big tool for future upcoming projects on the top end of corporate buildings, lobbies, conferencing, anything like this is just creating a great workflow.
So great. Thank you so much for joining, Cesar. This has been amazing. To find the Tessera plugin, go to Q-SYS Designer Asset Manager. Again, that is the Brompton Tessera plugin. And as Cesar mentioned, it covers the entire Tessera series product line. So thanks so much for joining,
Thank you
Cesar.
very much for having me.
I appreciate the conversation. Have a good one.
You too. Thank you.